Well, hello there. Um, this is Ian Shires again. That's a stupid in three. I'll do it again. Oh, I have bought a web camera. Yay. Um, so I can do hands-free things. Um, that'll help me moving forward as far as planting stuff. So, what I wanted to do today, real quick, was show you how I have prepared for the seeds that are on their way for me, the bamboo seeds. I went to the store and first I got some plastic cups. I like these ones because they are um, skinnier, taller, so I'll be able to fill them about halfway with dirt, poke a hole through the bottom for drainage, and they will give room inside to hold moisture as I use full top sandwich bags. Um, these will go over the top of the cups and therefore hold in the moisture, which um, I've determined and read online is going to be very light. You got to keep them moist but not wet. So um, that's what the drainage holes on the bottom will be for, is to make sure it has adequate moisture levels, and I'll keep checking it and give it tiny bits of water as we go. I got rubber bands to hold the plastic bags on, which basically takes care of the pot needs for things. I'm not using um, like seed starting trays because those, once the seedling is started, by the time it's only this big, its root system is outlived its little tiny pot and you have to transplant. And I don't want to traumatize the seedlings by moving them that fast. So I'm going to use slightly larger um, starter uh, starter pots. So we see how that goes. I also managed at a garage sale to pick up that sucker right there. Got it for $3, and it is a heating tray for basically um, food, but it's got a low setting, which basically keeps things warm, and therefore it should. I'm gonna check it and make sure that it doesn't go over temperature that would kill the seedlings, but it should hold it at a warm temperature so that the seedlings get a nice boost of warmth. And I am not exactly sure how many will fit on the tray itself, which looks like that. Got to get my right and lefts measured up because I'm learning how to use a webcam. Um, but I don't know exactly how many will fit on here, but we'll see if the heated ones uh, sprout better than ones that are not. And that's basically what I've done to prepare for the seeds. I've got up on the top over there some seed starting dirt, which when I get the seeds will go into a tub, get moistened, and sit until the seeds are ready to be put into their individual starter cups. Um, I'm going to do at least 24 hours soaking. I haven't decided if I want to do the salt thing because it just doesn't make sense to me that salt would help a bamboo seed because in nature there is no salt. But maybe I'll try some with and some without. But I'm going to give them once I husk the seeds. I'm going to give them the 24-hour bath before I put them in to the dirt. So that's basically what I've done to get ready for the seeds to get here, which I really, really can't wait till they do. Um, so other than that, uh, my sticks in these cups continue to show signs of little tiny roots, and they're not dying. So I'm going to continue to leave those in their individual pots and see what happens with them. I'm just going to keep them moist, not wet, and see what happens. So far, not too much, but it's not dead. So we're going to see what happens with those guys still. Um, I think that's all I have to talk about right now. So I'd like you all to go over. Let's see here if I can. It would be over here, maybe. Leave that little like, um, subscribe, and the notification bell thing. Do all that for me because I'm lonely and I need friends, not just bamboo friends. Um, anyway, that's about all I got right now. Thanks. Bye.